Good day, everyone. I welcome you to today's class. This is top-notch tutorial class. Okay. In today's class, we'll be looking at factors, common factors, and highest common factors in mathematics. Okay. So the class is mainly meant for those in upper primary class. You can say primary 4, primary 5, and primary 6, or basic 4 to 6, or year 4 to 6. Okay, as simple as this topic is, some pupils, or can I say some students, they have some challenges. Okay, because there are different topics, there are different methods in which you can adopt to arrive at your answer. But I want to introduce, or I want to show us the simplest method of all. First of all, what does factor mean? Okay, factors of a particular number. Factors of a particular number are those set of numbers that can divide that particular number. What does that mean? Okay, if I have, let me say 10. 10. What are the factors of 10? What are the factors of 10? We can say 1, 2, 5, and 10. What are the factors of, let me say 4? Let's say 4. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. What about factors of 15? The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15 itself. All these three numbers that you are seeing on the board, we can discover, or you can agree with me that if you say 1 times 10, it will give you 10. 2 times 5 will give you 5. Any other number aside these four numbers are not factors of 4, of 10. Okay? Likewise here, if you pick 1, say 1 times 4 will give you 4. 2 times 2 will give you 4 as well. So 1, 2, and 4 are factors of 4. What about 15? 1 times 15 will give us 15. 3 times 5 will give us 15. Or you can turn it the other way around. 5 times 3 is 15. Or 15 times 1 is 15. With all this, without having the knowledge of multiplication table, you may have it difficult to get all the factors. To break everything down here. Okay? So, with these simple numbers on the board, you can agree with me that all these are factors of the numbers. 10 can divide 10 without any remainder. 10 goes into 10 one time. 5 goes into 10 two times. And 2 goes into 10 5 times. Likewise, 1, it goes into 10 10 times. Of course, 1 can divide any other number or every other number except 0. Okay? If you look at 4, 1 can divide 4 times without any remainder. 2 can divide 4 without any remainder. Likewise, 4 divides itself without a remainder. What about here? 1 divides 15 without a remainder. 3 divides 15 without a remainder. 5 divides 15 without a remainder. Of course, 15 divides itself without a remainder. So, when we talk of factors of a number, these are the methods you can get the factors of a given number. So, factors of a particular number or of a given number are the numbers that can divide that number without a remainder. Okay, for example, if I pick for 10 now, if I pick 4, okay, there is no way I can say I can multiply 4 by any other number that will give 10. So it means since 4 cannot multiply any number to give 10, 4 is not a factor of 10. It means 4 is not a member of these numbers. All right. So we can simply say 10 is the one that gave birth to all this. So 4 is not a member of 10. That is when we are talking of factors. All right. Likewise, 4. I cannot pick 3 now. There is no number I can use to multiply 3 that will give me 4. Right? If you come to 15, if I pick, say, 6 now, there is no number I can use to multiply any other number or to multiply 6 that will give me 15. Or I pick 2. But if I pick 2, there is no number you can use to multiply 2 that will give us 15. So these numbers you are seeing here are factors of each of these numbers. Okay? So that is all about factors. Let us go further. Now, when we talk of common factors of a number or a set of different numbers, what does that mean? For example, we picked 10 and 4. Okay? What is the number that is common to both of them? Let me give a practical example. If I pick 4, factors of 4 now, I will say 1, 2, and 4. All right? Factors of 10. What are the numbers that can divide 10 without a remainder? We have 1, we have 2, we have 5, and we have 10. All right? Now, what are the numbers that are here and you can find in 4? We have the numbers here are 1. Let me write CF. Okay? CF stands for common factors. So I can pick 1 because like this. Then let me pick 2 again. We have 1 here in both of them. We have 2 as well. Okay? Now, there is 4 here, but of course, we can't find 4 here. Likewise, here we have 5. There is no 5 here. 10 is here. There is no 10. So, it means the number that is common to a set of 2 or more different numbers are called common factors. So the common factors of 4 and 10 are 1 and 2. Okay, let us look at another example. Let's pick, let me say this is number 1. Example number 2, let us pick 15. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15 itself. Okay, what about 20? The factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Now, what are the common factors of 15 and 20? Of course, 1 is there. Of course, we have 5. Let me circle it this way. So, common factors, we have 1 and 5. So, amongst all the factors of 15 and all the factors of 20, the only number that is common to both of them are, 1 and 5. So, the common factors of 15 and 20 are 1 and 5. Are what? 1 and 5. So, number 3. Example number 3, 16. What are the factors of 16? We have 1, we have 2, we have 4, we have 8, then 16 itself. What about 28? Okay, we have 1, we have 2, we have 4, we have 7, we have 14, and we have 28 itself. Then let us go to 40. Let's pick 3. At least let's go a bit higher. We have 1, or we have 2, we have 4, we have 5, we have 10. Okay, we have 8 before then. We have 10, we have 20, and we have 40 itself. What are the common factors? What are the common factors? So 1 is common to all of them. Of course, we can see it there. Then 2, we have 2. Of course, 4 is there as well. We have 4. So 8, 16. We do not have 8 and 16 here. Likewise here. Even though we have 8 here and we have 8 here, we do not have 8 for that of 28. So we cannot pick 8 because 8 is not a factor of 28. So there is no way we are going to pick 8. All right. So whatever number we are going to pick must appear in all the set of these numbers, either 2, 3, or more. All right. So the common factors of 16, 28, and 40 are 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. So that's that. We have come to the end of this class for today.